Okay, so we got the Isakura. This is the glow in the dark blanket, and I like that it comes with its own bag so that when he goes for a sleepover, he can put his blanket in it. And this blanket comes, we have a thank you note, a card, and then this blanket comes saran packed like this, like shrink it packed. So I'm going to open this up and show you how fluffy the blanket is. So this is the material for the blanket. It's very nice and soft, and it has different designs on it. It has a spaceship. What else is this? What is this?
That's a star.
It has star. It has a shooting star.
Oh god.
It has a space, another type of spaceship.
That's an alien ship.
Alien ship. So yeah. So it's very nice, very soft, and this is the length of it. Yeah, it's good size for a kid's bed. So we're gonna put this, and then we're gonna turn off the light and show how it glows in the dark. So as you can see, all the colors show in the dark, and I actually had to take a picture to show you guys just how vibrant they are. It's really, really beautiful, and he loves it. He especially loves that he can still see spaceships and the moon and the stars.